Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create an app install campaign inside the Reddit ads account. So this campaign is primarily focusing on driving app installations so that people can start using our mobile app and they can do business with us. So let's build this campaign out. So for this, we can again start the same process plus create campaign, and we'll switch to advanced create. Now this is going to be an app campaign. We can give it a name like that. And then as you can see, the campaign objective will be app installs. We can connect the app right here, okay, for which we want to create the campaign. So we can search for the app on, let's say, Google Play Store. And this is the URL of the app. Let's say we are doing it for Uber. Okay, so we can take the URL and add. So once the app is added, linked to the campaign, then we can provide the other details, payment method, and the campaign spend cap, which you can identify, which you can define here. Once we provide all this information, then you can continue further to build out the campaign. So here we can give it a name. And then you can define your audience. So let's say we are targeting people who are business professionals because they would need Uber specifically. And we're going to look for corporate world. Okay. So let's say corporates, employers. So you can see how we are trying to target specific people, employees, colleagues, workers, okay, all these co-workers. So these are going to be the targeted audience. Similarly, you can look for similar audiences in the community section. So business professionals, if there are any. So you can see we have to look for specific ones or professionals, workers. So in this manner, you can choose people, okay, from community as well, and then interest groups, people who are, again, business and finance, we can use. Then you can do your custom audience targeting if you want to, or demographic targeting, then we get into. Lastly, we can do placements as well. Ideally, all placements is auto placements is recommended, and then we can set our daily budget. Again, so since this is an app install, so we can choose installation as our app event goal. And then we are paying for the lowest cost. So this will be an automated bidding strategy, which will try to generate as many installs as possible at the lowest cost or lowest ad spend. Once we provide all this information, now we are coming to the app ad. Here we can create an image ad. Okay. So like this, we can create a headline and attach our image. Lastly, again, we have to provide the app store URL, because this is what people will click when they see the ad. They will click, and that is where they will land to download the app. We can say download. You can see this is how the ad is going to look like. Once the ad is built out, then finally we can review the campaign once, check all the details. If everything looks fine, then we can publish this campaign. So this is becoming our app installs campaign, which will drive app installs for us, for our business. Okay, once the campaign is approved by Reddit, then the campaign can go live, the ads can start running.